Okay, you know what? You're not gonna start, so I'll just. Ladies and gents, welcome to Aki and S2. Try something. Today we are going to try Jolo chip. ये चैलेंज आप लोगों ने बताया था हमको ट्राई करने के लिए एंड वी आर डूइंग इट.
I think I have never been this nervous ever in my life, not even for my board exams
Oh
or
my, what are
any
you saying?
interview or anything.
What are you saying? I think इसका रीजन ऐसा है क्योंकि अक्षता को स्पाइसी बिल्कुल जमता नहीं है.
Also, the box is shaped like a coffin. It means sure death.
With a खोपड़ी.
Yeah.
With a खोपड़ी on top. So अपन खोलते हैं कॉफिन. Right? Oh, it says do not dare. Oh, do you dare?
No.
Let me take a cinematic shot of this opening. Dun, 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 dun. That was total fail. But yeah, this is how you get inside. What you get inside. Fear the Reaper. How to enter the last chip challenge? If you dare, try it. Eat the chip. Don't say we didn't warn you. Tag it Jolo Chip on social media and include last chip challenge to be added in the Jolo Chip Wall of Fame at jolochip.com. Yeah, let go.
That is if you finish it. No.
We will be on the chip.
Don't be so confident, okay? We haven't even opened the packet yet to see what is inside.
That is true.
And to prepare ourselves. See? You didn't even open the packet yet.
Yo, I think उन लोग का मसाला कुछ नहीं इसके ऊपर था bro. On the डब्बा. Oh my eye.
How can it be on the dabba? Are you okay?
Yo, I don't know what. I think उसके ऊपर कुछ मसाला
I
रहेगा
think it
उसका.
could be masala.
मेरे आँख में literally मैंने हाथ. Oh my god. मैंने आँख में हाथ डाला. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I don't want to do this.
Yeah, so we are going to just go ahead. Why don't you open it first? Don't break the chip, huh?
I can smell it. Oh my god.
Go ahead, take a bite.
No, you remove, open yours.
One. Oh my god. Boss, I'll show you inside. Inside मसाला देखो खाली. अंदर मसाला देखो. Oh my god, पूरा मसाले से भरा है.
I can smell it.
Why do I feel mine has more masala than yours? Oh.
It does.
It has boss layer है इस पे. Check this out. इसके ऊपर legit layer है मसाले की.
I think my masala might be in the packet only. Oh no, I don't even have. I think somebody was extra generous with your chip.
This is okay. You know what? You're not gonna start, so I'll just
Take a small bite.
डर लग रहा है मेरे को.
Oh my god. You have water in your eyes. Oh my god, I don't want to eat.
Oh, my head is itching. Oh my. This is next level.
I'm scared now. I should have gone first. Should I try?
Yeah. I think
I cannot. Fuck my ears. Eat some honey.
हमने आंख में हाथ डाला. Yo,
my arm, even my fingers.
I thought कि मैं ये chip challenge complete कर पाऊंगा, but now I feel I don't think.
Fuck no.
Akshada, what have you?
I legit ate like.
Akshada has not eaten anything.
I have
Look at
legit
this.
eaten only so much.
Look at my. Look at. मैंने पूरा टुकड़ा.
I don't have the guts to. Please don't. Are you trying to finish it? Go wash. Go and wash. Why do you want to do such stunts? I think I'm okay now.
Yeah, actually, I'm also a bit okay.
Should I go for a bite?
Yeah, actually, go like me, Akshada.
No.
Akshada, actually take a bite like me. Look at this bite.
No.
It's gonna be spicy.
It has a smoky flavor.
Yeah.
It's not as spicy. Oh fuck, it is. Oh my god. Look at my tongue, it's so red.
Sadly, मेरे को red दिखता नहीं है. One more. Here you go. Here we go. Oh my god. It's like मेरे को ऐसा कान तक पूरा ये हो रहा है. हाँ.
Ears में से धुआं आने वाला है. I'm more concerned about what might happen tomorrow morning.
Should I just take the whole thing?
No! No! No!
Team Astro.
Please don't do it. What are you trying to prove?
One more.
Let me.
बूंद
also-
बूंद से सागर बनता है. Take माझा एवढा.
I'm gonna bite from this only.
Go ahead. ये एक्चुअली बड़ा बाइट लिया अक्षरा ने.
Oh fuck! Don't put your masala wala hands on me.
Oh my god.
You know my eye has started twitching. Can you see?
Oh yeah. Go close.
Can you see?
लेफ्ट वाले उसके नीचे से फटफट रही है पूरी.
I give up. I don't want to win this challenge.
This actually helps, huh? Like the milk actually helps. We've gone for a bigger one this time.
I give up.
I think I'm faring fairly well.
What?
Your boys and girls dish.
What are you doing? Why are you rubbing the masala hands on your face?
मेरे को यार ऐसा हीट है ना यहाँ से यहाँ कान तक.
This is the true savior.
It actually hits. कभी होता है Actually ना मेरे को अभी खाया ना मैं I was okay, but then suddenly like a shockwave went from my mouth here and into the ear. Oh my god.
You ate so much. Only this much is left.
जितना अक्षता ने खाया है उतना मेरा बाकी है.
Oh, I'm sure I've eaten lesser than. Please don't.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
छाती. My lips are.
On fire.
Oh.
You legit ate the whole thing. Okay guys, so we hope you guys enjoyed the video. And he is clearly not in a state to say bye. Are you? I can't even imagine how you're feeling.
See.
This is not the normal color of my tongue. Should I go for the bite? Should I go for the bite?
Boss. The last thing was not advisable at all. मेरे को ना legit इतना ये हो रहा है and I think for a second मैं bathroom में था, मैं बहरा हो गया था.
What?
Like my ears were ringing, I couldn't hear anything. So like a tee.
Should I go for another bite?
अगर फूल खाने वाला रहेगी तो खा के फायदा है, नहीं तो don't put yourself through it. Oh my god.
I think no. I'm too scared of what might happen.
But I think I finished it.
So proud of you.
Your boy has won
So proud of
the last chip challenge. I've eaten the last chip challenge and I've lived to talk about it. अरे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं इतना भाग के आई और मैं I should feel my heartbeat. इतनी fast हो गई है. Oh, your boy has survived the last chip challenge. Let go. Team S2 for the win. You know things that Team Aki cannot conquer, Team S2 can.
जहाँ पे नहीं वहाँ पे नहीं.
जहाँ पे नहीं वहाँ पे भी हाँ. समझे क्या बिडू? Team S2. हाय.
Also, this is what I don't want.
हाय. ये वीडियो के लिए अगर आपने लाइक नहीं किया हाय. छोड़ो. You know what? We frankly, Aki and S2, we don't care about likes. We don't care about numbers.
Yeah.
As long as you guys are enjoying the video,
Yes.
we are happy with it. And I hope
we only wish to entertain you guys by doing such stupid things.
कि आपको ये
Video पसंद आया and we were able to make you laugh and entertain you. So thank you very much for making us a part of your day. We hope you guys enjoyed the video.
My hands are getting numb.
If you did, be sure to
Drop a like.
and we'll see you guys in the next one.